Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wa sallallahu wa sallam wa baraka ala ashrafil anbiya wal mursaleen nabiyyina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in wa ba'd. Welcome back to Qaida Nooraniya. And today inshallah ta'ala we're going to begin lesson 7. And lesson 7 is about alif, al-alif as-saghira wal ya saghira and waw as-saghira. Inshallah ta'ala we're going to explain what that means. Lesson 7 and lesson 8 are both on long vowels. So we covered short vowels in the previous lessons. Short vowels are fathas, kasras, and dhammas. Fatha is a short vowel, kasra and dhamma, these are short vowels. The long vowels are alif, waw, and ya. Alif, waw, and ya. And these are also called letters of mad, huruf al-mad, because you can tamudduha, you can extend them, all right, as we did in lesson 3 when we were going over the huruf al-muqatta'a, alif lam mim. We elongated the long vowels in those letters. So here in lesson 7 and in lesson 8 we're going to go over long vowels. Lesson 7 is about something called alif, the long vowels that are written using a small font where it's an alif but it's a small alif. It's a ya but it's a small ya. Same thing, it's a waw but it's a small waw. All right, and at the end of the day there's no difference between that and a regular alif or a regular waw or regular ya. All right, so here al-alif as-saghira, so a small alif, miniature alif. وَالْيَاءُ الصَّغِيرَةُ, a small ya or miniature ya, and a وَالْوَاوُ الصَّغِيرَةُ, small waw or miniature waw. All right. So how do we pronounce each of these letters or these letters with the alif? This is what we're going to do. Like we did in the previous lessons, we're going to identify the letter. The letter here is ba. All right. This is the letter ba. What's on top of it? Fatha. All right. If there was an alif here, if there wasn't an alif saghira, we would have said ba fatha ba and that's it. Khalas. But because there's an alif there, we're not going to say ba fatha ba. We're not going to say that. We're going to say ba fatha, and we're not going to make the sound the fatha and the ba make together. We're not going to say ba. Instead, we're going to go to the alif. So we're going to say ba fatha alif saghira ba. Ba fatha alif saghira ba. Ba. Alright? So instead of saying ba fatha ba, now it becomes ba. Alright? 2 harakat long, 2 vowel counts long, about a second long. So there's a difference between ba and ba. Without the alif, this is ba. Ba fatha ba. With the alif, it's ba. And when you spell it out, this is how you spell it out. Ba fatha alif saghira. All right, and use the Arabic terms. Alif, saghira. Saghira means small, miniature. All right, small alif. All right, and what sound does that make? Ba. Ba, fatha, alif, saghira, ba. Ya, fatha, alif, saghira, ya. Ra, fatha, alif, saghira, ra. And so on and so forth. You're going to do that with all of these letters until you come to here. You come until you reach Hamza, Kasra, Ya, Saghira. All right, so here you have Hamza, and then you have a Ya. That's a Ya. We covered that in lesson 1, and it's a small Ya. All right, so you're going to do the same thing. Hamza, Kasra. All right, identify the letter, identify the diacritical mark. That's the next step. And then again, we're not going to, because there's a ya saghira there, we're not going to say hamza kasra I. No. Instead, we're going to wait. We're going to say hamza kasra. Before we make the sound out, we're going to go to the letter ya. We're going to say ya saghira and then combine the sounds. I. I. Without the ya saghira, it would have been I. I. With the ya saghira, I. I. All right? Without the alif saghira here, it would have been ba. With the alif saghira, ba. So here, I. I. Same thing here. Ha, kasra, ya, saghira. Saghira means small. And then the sound they make, when you connect or combine them, he, just like the word he in English, he. All right. Waw dhamma. Now we're going to move on to the vowel, the long vowel waw. Waw dhamma, waw saghira. You're going to say waw saghira. Saghira again means small or miniature. Waw dhamma waw saghira. The sound they make when you combine these two letters, it's going to be woo, woo. Ha dhamma waw saghira, who, like the word who in English. Hamza dhamma waw saghira, ooh, ooh. And again, so this lesson 7, pretty straightforward, is about the long vowels, alif saghira, ya saghira, and waw saghira.